Let's see. Hey folks, how you doing? Papa Joe here. Let me see if I can lower this down some. Don't mind me while I try adjusting this better. If I come too far, it's going to want to fall on me. Let me try that. Alright. Going to be a relatively short video. Me and Grandma did a little experiment today off that recipe Little Joe had done I told you about. We did some crock pot chicken. I didn't show you me putting it in here. It was some skinned boneless breast, and we put it in a crock pot and cooked it up. We put on one package of what do you need? There you go. Grandma's over there working on stuff while I'm doing this. What, cutting board?
Making a cutting board.
We did one pack. We did 4 chicken breasts. Anything else? We did 4 chicken breasts, bone and skinless. Right here. You can see it's still plenty hot. I'm going to set it over here and let a couple of them start cooling off. I'm going to get them, well, one might do for us doing it like this, huh? What do you think? Or to cut up 2? Yeah, small they are. I'll try 2. Anyhow, we put on one package of taco seasoning, and we put in some salsa.
A fork, please.
And I'm not in front of that drawer. And then we put in a can of diced tomatoes. Low sodium in it. Grandma does watch that stuff because I've had an allergy to salt for years. So we are well practiced on not getting salt. Sodium is salt. Now our tomatoes and whatnot in here cook down drastically. And we've got a little more juice in it than we really wanted. So I'm dipping some out. I'm going to be letting it sit over here, hopefully draining, so that we can use this. And we don't want it so wet. Looks like it's going to need a little help draining. And if I make a mess, Grandma's used to cleaning up behind me. So, there we go. That's what it needed. So what we're going to do tonight is we're going to go ahead and turn them into, I don't care what you want to call it, a taco, burrito, whatever.
Tacos, kind of.
Pardon?
Yeah, soft shell.
Yeah, we've got our low-carb tortillas that we had used last night. We'd used half of them. I'm going to get this out of the way.
I need that lemon back there.
The lemon, I don't see it.
It's right behind the potatoes.
Oh, okay. Here you go. Well, Grandma's over there trying to make us some guacamole out of those avocados she had got. We used up the last of our cheese last night. What did we use last that grated cheese in?
The taco baker.
Well, I left you some
Mexican
for a couple.
lasagna, and we put it in the salads.
Oh, we put it in the salad. You're right. So we're going to dice up some of the chicken. I'm going to shred it, whatever you want to call it. We was out of cheese, so we're going to substitute regular old American cheese. This is Kraft Deli Deluxe White. Got a little bit of lettuce here we're going to tear up. Grandma's making us a little bit of guacamole or something over there. We've got some tomatoes that this meat's been cooked in. Is the dishes in the dishwasher clean?
Yes, I love this thing right here.
You like that, do you? Oh, that is pretty cool. One of her new gadgets over there, or a gadget, I don't know how
And
new
you
it
can
is.
get more juice out of that.
I guess my big knife is not in here. You don't put them in the dishwasher?
The big.
Okay, there it is. I overlooked it. My bad. Sometimes I'm half blind. Thank you.
Black pepper.
Is he in the bear?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how this is going to work on. I really shouldn't even need it. No, I don't even need the knife. I got her knife dirty for nothing. Because this stuff is just going to shred. It ain't. Look at that. Can you all see that? Yeah, you can see that. Look at how that just tearing apart. That's just like pulled chicken or pulled pork. But you know, there is a pulled pork, and me and Grandma is known to make pulled meat out of anything. We cook it down and pull it in a heartbeat. So yeah, good looking stuff right there. Don't mind me while I do what I'm doing. Oh, that just tender, Mama, that's just coming apart. Oh yeah, good stuff there. Alright, that's more than enough for what we're going to do. So let me get these tools out of the way for the moment. And I am going to attempt to make one of these. We'll see what all we have done and ready. I might have to wait a minute to put her guacamole on here. Low carb tortillas, you can get them. You can get the spinach ones that I have in the truck that I forgot. We was going to bring them home for this, and I totally forgot them. We'll start us both one. Just set it down. Alright. So, first I'm going to put our cheese on there. We've been outside playing in the dirt and had this cooking. Well, hell, I might what we did in the crock pot, and we cooked it for about 5 hours on high. Then we turned it down after we came back in, and no, we wasn't playing for 5 hours, but I got a couple of little honeydews knocked out for her today. And then we let it cool off. I came in and checked it, turned it off, let it cool off a little bit. We took us a little break while it cooled off. We did us outstanding breakfast this morning. That was really good. It wasn't on either one of our diets, but you know, folks, when you are dieting, you got to treat yourself once in a while. And we really do like our breakfasts, so we treated ourselves a little bit this morning. Alright, and I need a spoon for this. Look at that tomato. Now that is what we cooked the chicken in. You see me getting it out. Now there was a time, I don't know if she will now or not, it doesn't matter. There was a time that anytime we did anything like this, Grandma would put mayo on it. She likes her mayo. Maybe we got enough stuff on here that she don't this time. We'll see. Alright. Then we got a little bit of this guacamole. I'm going to put it towards the side. Mommy, you want it a little heavy on yours like mine?
Guacamole?
Yeah.
Oh, About average on.
Okay, I do about like mine. Then we had some lettuce. If you're on any kind of low carb diet, folks, you can use lettuce as a bread on a lot of your sandwiches and stuff. I highly recommend it. So, alright, Grandma, I think that's about it. She's over there playing with her lemon squeezer. That's what she was talking about earlier with the lemon squeezer. There's what we're...
actually a lime squeezer, but if you get lemon small enough, it works.
And then to roll them up, if I can grab hold of it. And no, I did not warm up my tortillas. A lot of time, most times, we would put it in the microwave for a few seconds. Roll it up and tuck your end. Then hold on to that end, because this ain't one that's got lots of tortilla left. And there's what we got. That's dinner tonight. So, y'all remember, God loves you, so do we. We got some chowing down to do.
Forgot the sour cream. How
Grandma hollering at me, I
that?
forgot the sour cream. Shame on me. We will not tolerate that nonsense. Give me a spoon. We like our sour cream. Ah, come on now. That's right. There we go. Much gooder. Now it's complete. Now we're talking about some food, and I'm probably going to eat 2 or 3 of these. Looks like we got 3 tortillas left over there and plenty of chicken in the making. Y'all remember, God loves you, and so do we. See you later. Want to tell them bye, Grandma?
Bye.
We ain't going to share with them, right?
No.
All right, Grandma said we ain't sharing. Bye, y'all.